Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular motherboards, the ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0 and the Asus ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and performance to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're building a budget-friendly PC or seeking high-end gaming capabilities, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0 features the B450 chipset, which supports AMD Ryzen processors from the 2000 to 5000 series. In contrast, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is built on the newer B550 chipset, offering PCIe 4.0 support for faster data transfer rates and improved performance. This difference in chipset technology can significantly affect your system's capabilities, especially for gaming and high-performance tasks. When it comes to form factor, the ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0 is a micro ATX motherboard, making it suitable for compact builds. On the other hand, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is an ATX motherboard, providing more expansion slots and features, which is ideal for gamers and enthusiasts looking for a robust setup. The choice between these two form factors can influence your case selection and overall build size. The ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0 offers basic features suitable for budget builds, including support for Ryzen processors and SATA 6 GB per second storage. In contrast, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is packed with advanced features such as PCIe 4.0, Wi-Fi 6E, and enhanced audio capabilities, making it a superior choice for gamers and high-performance users. This significant difference in features can greatly impact your overall computing experience. In conclusion, the ASRock B450M-HDV R4.0 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious users who need a reliable motherboard for basic tasks. However, if you're looking for advanced features, better performance, and don't mind spending more, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is the way to go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.